standard-bearing arm of the government of Jamaica, and everyone looks up to the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service.
In 2022, the government of Jamaica launched the Service Excellence Policy to improve service delivery within the public sector and ensure customer satisfaction.
Customer service focus is one of the tenets of the ministry's strategic direction for the next 5 years.
We've come a long way. A year ago, I declared on this stage that we were going to have the highest percentage of customer service certified staff in government, and we are on our path to exceed that target this year.
I am so happy that as internal customers who are making sure that you are prepared and ready to serve external customers, that you are being honored today.
As we come together to celebrate your outstanding achievements, it's important to reflect on the government's vision for service excellence. It is a vision that resonates with the core values of our public sector: integrity, accountability, and deep commitment to serving the needs of our citizens.
Well, if you never know, well, now you know. Alright, the best in the world is Jamaica. We born and grow, black, green, and gold. We island is a masterpiece from the Creator.
Persons like to feel that they are listened to. So for me, at the end of the day, once the customer feels satisfied walking away, I think I have done a good job.
Don't serve your friend. Serve who is there to be served. Don't give the best service to somebody who you know. Give it to everybody.
Service is essentially putting the needs of others before yourself, and excellence is being outstanding in your endeavors. Service excellence, therefore, at its core, is about a deep commitment to understanding the needs of others and going above and beyond to fulfill those needs.
The winner of the Service Excellence Champion Award is Andrew Taylor. We have forged a partnership with Heart Trust NSTA to deliver training and provide certification. This year, I'm proud to announce the participants who have successfully completed training in Customer Service Level 2. Alexi Reed, Javon McLeod, Simone Lindo, Javon Ellis, Jacqueline Penny, Natoya Orsi, Mrs. Colleen Chambers Sinclair.
The first award I'm going to announce, for protocol purposes, is called the Financial Secretary's Award for Customer Satisfaction. And the award goes to Public Expenditure and Policy Coordination Division. They received the highest satisfaction rating. The winner of the Minister's Award for Service Delivery for the very first time goes to, wow, what an upset, the Public Expenditure Policy Coordination Division.
Land will love and give from above. I saw the eternal Father bless. Yes, the blood of a slave was shed for me. Me love my history. liberation for the generation. That story of my glory. So to call yourself a champion.